today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these a cute little phone holder made out of paper. So the materials we'll need is a few sheets of colored paper in any colors. The other sheets are for decorating. One sheet's just for the phone stand. Some glue. You can use hot glue, glue stick, or squirt glue, but I recommend the squirt glue because if you use the glue stick, then it wouldn't really stick, and I can't use the hot glue gun in this video because it's back somewhere else. So you'll also need some scissors and some coloring stuff. I'm using markers today, so let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your piece of paper in half into, well, hot dog style. Alright, there. Make sure it's even. Okay, good. Now you're going to unfold it. And to the crease, you're going to fold each side. Okay. And now, you're going to fold it again to where they, like the top of them, I guess. Right. Next, we're going to fold this in half. Make sure it's touching, both ends are touching. Like this. So that's what this looks like. And so now you're going to take your ruler. Let me get it real quick. Alright, take your ruler and on the centimeter side, measure, that's centimeters, 2 centimeters with your pencil. Okay. Now you're going to fold on that line like this. Now you're going to unfold it and then fold it like that. So now that's folded to where the line goes, and so it's starting to be formed. And now you are going to unfold it and fold this forward. to that crease, basically. And then you're going to fold, right? Yeah, fold this forward. And then, like, when you put it together, it's going to look like this. But now you're going to take your glue and you are going to glue this to this. So you're going to just put your glue on. Ooh, that might be a bit too much, but and you're going to just push it together. And hold it there for a little bit. Okay, seems glued in enough to move on to the next step. Oh wait, no, not yet. So just hold it down until it dries. This is why hot glue would be better solution for this, but we're just using normal glue today. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I guess I'm gonna tape it because I don't want it like letting loose, but you don't have to tape it. So let me just tape it real quick. Okay, so next step is to fold this, like slide this into the other one, like this. So now there's the basic shape for the phone holder, and you could just have this as a plain phone holder, but I'm going to make this into an animal, like this is an animal. So I'm going to make this into a little whale or dolphin, I guess. So I'm going to decorate right now. So okay, I finished decorating, and so this is my little whale. This is the water he's blowing out of his spout, his tail, his eyes, and his mouth. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Remember to like and subscribe below.